Today we'll show you how to keep your leather furniture looking and feeling its very best by conditioning with Otter Wax All-Natural Leather Oil. This is the Luca Bench from our friends at Poly & Bark. It's upholstered in cognac tanned, full-grain aniline leather, and our oil will help it last a lifetime. Otter Wax Leather Oil is safe to use on all types and colors of leather because our products never contain synthetic dyes, chemicals, or petroleum. All you need is a bottle of our leather oil, a couple of lint-free cloths, and a small, soft bristle brush. Before you begin, ensure the surface is free of any dust, crumbs, or pet hair. Dampen a cloth in warm water, wring out excess, and wipe down the entire item. Remember that leather is skin. Using the warm water opens leather pores and facilitates better absorption when the oil is applied. Give the bottle a good shake, and always dispense the oil first onto your cloth and then to the leather. Applying directly to leather will result in a splotchy, uneven finish. Always test on a small, inconspicuous area to make sure you'll be happy with the results. Temporary darkening may occur and is especially common when treating light color leathers. Dispense oil onto a dry cloth, then begin applying using a smooth, circular motion. Use the soft brush for those hard-to-reach spots like seams and corners. Maintain an even finish by always treating the entire item. When fully treated, allow 2 hours for oils to thoroughly saturate the leather. At this point, any oil remaining on the surface should be buffed or wiped away. Allow the leather to rest another 3 to 6 hours. When it's dry to the touch, it's ready for you to enjoy. Reapply every 4 to 6 months for happy, healthy leather that can last a lifetime. For more information about Otter Wax products, be sure to visit us online at www.otterwax.com.